No one will tell you these secrets. Face creaming in fear if you don't watch this video. You'll be way behind your friends in having clear, flawless skin. Today, I bring you 4 revolutionary and natural recipes that will explode like a bomb in the beauty world. Fire a powerful anti-blemish that will fade your dark spots and give you a mirror-like skin. Fire a skin darkening treatment with completely natural ingredients that will eliminate the need for chemical creams. Fire a blackhead remover that will make your skin look smooth and even. Fire and the magic of whiteheads to prevent inflammation and clogged pores. See, the key to having incredible skin is in your hands, and with these 4 recipes, you won't need to look for a dermatologist anymore. But only those who watch this video to the end will be able to discover these secrets and transform their skin. So quickly leave a comment so I can answer your questions, and share this video with your friends so you can get results faster. Herb Sparkles, let's go and tell you 4 skin miracles, how and with what. It can be made at home with natural, accessible, and cheap ingredients. This egg white plus 5 crushed aspirin plus 1 teaspoon baking soda mask really works wonders for your skin. Smiling face with heart eyes egg whites tighten the skin, close open pores, and make it feel smooth and youthful. Aspirin, thanks to its strong anti-inflammatory and exfoliating properties, destroys blemishes and dark spots, dries and removes blackheads and whiteheads, and deeply disinfects the skin. Baking soda also cleans pores like a vacuum cleaner and makes the skin clear and bright. Its combination with aspirin is a real miracle for clearing acne. When you apply this mask, it's as if your skin enters a cycle of youth where blemishes and dark spots fade. Pimples and impurities disappear, and your skin shines like crystal. Sparkles, just whip the egg white until it forms a paste, crush the aspirins, and mix with baking soda. Apply to the skin and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water and feel the incredible clean feeling. This combination is an incredible skin secret only for those who care about their natural beauty. Are you ready to take your skin to the next level? Herb Fire, let's go for the second mask. Friends, stay with me until the end of the video, because the most miraculous mask and, as I said at the end of the video, a very strong and fast-acting whitening and anti-blemish mask. By subscribing to the channel, you will be informed about the latest beauty recipes. The second mask. This miraculous recipe is a combination of 1 teaspoon of toothpaste plus 1 teaspoon of sea salt plus 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide that will make your skin brighter and flawless like a lamp. High voltage sea salt, rich in magnesium, calcium, and potassium, provides strong exfoliation, closes open pores and controls excess oil, reduces acne and pimples, and makes your skin clear and transparent. Toothpaste also acts as a strong cleanser that removes spots and dark spots and, with its formulation, lightens spots caused by sun and acne. 3% hydrogen peroxide is also a great antibacterial and disinfectant that dries out blackheads and whiteheads and makes your skin shine like a mirror. Now imagine if you don't act now and make this mask, you're betraying your skin. With each passing day, your skin is slowly but surely getting older and darker, your pores are getting bigger, and your acne is getting worse. Face creaming in fear how to use. Xenotation spot mix all the ingredients well until you get a smooth paste xenotation spot apply to clean, dry skin with your fingers or a brush. Avoiding the eye area xenotation spot, wait 10 to 15 minutes for the amazing effect of the mask to begin xenotation spot wash off with lukewarm water and feel the clarity and softness of your skin. Use it just twice a week to see fast and incredible results. When your friend's skin wasn't as radiant as this, you have this natural secret that works wonders. So hurry up, start so everyone is jealous and you're always one step ahead. Crown Fire, don't miss the video and 2 of the most amazing masks left. In the meantime, if you have any questions or specific problems for your skin or hair, share with me. I am here to serve you, my special audience. The third mask. This miraculous mask with half a fresh lemon and a teaspoon of toothpaste will make your skin like sunlight. Sun lemon juice is full of vitamin C and citric acid that removes spots and dark spots, brightens and clears the skin, and stimulates collagen production to keep your skin young and tight. With its powerful cleansing and antibacterial ingredients, toothpaste dries and destroys every whitehead and dirt on the skin without the need for chemicals. When you apply this mask, it's as if a magical layer comes on your skin. All the unevenness and annoying spots disappear and your skin becomes smooth and radiant, like a light beam. Smiling face with heart eyes how to use. Xenotation spot, squeeze half a lemon and mix it with a teaspoon of white toothpaste until it becomes a smooth paste. Xenotation spot apply to clean, dry skin. Blemished areas or the entire face xenotation spot, wait 10 to 15 minutes for all blemishes and pimples to melt and disappear. Xenotation spot wash off with lukewarm water and enjoy your bright and fresh skin. Be careful. The fourth mask is still waiting, and if you leave this video, you will lose a lot because that last miracle will surprise everyone. So stay, and be honest with your friends that you will not hide this secret of clear skin from them. Glowing to our winking face, do you want me to give you the 4th recipe right now to unlock the beauty of your skin? And finally, the ultimate secret has arrived. A golden mask with the juice of half a tomato and a teaspoon of toothpaste that will make your skin white and glowing like magic. Tomato Sparkles tomatoes are a balm of vitamin C and antioxidants that erases dark spots and blemishes, anti-inflammatory and repairs the skin, increases collagen production, and tightens open pores. Toothpaste is like a powerful vacuum cleaner, sweeping away dead cells and impurities and making your skin bright and clear, with a natural and homemade miracle that no one tells you about when you apply this mask. It feels like your skin enters a bright and perfect world. Dark spots fade, closed pores and acne are ruthlessly destroyed. A skin like glass skin that everyone envies, and you shine with the most outstanding beauty. Gemstone how to use. Xenotation spot, take the juice of half a fresh tomato. Xenotation spot, mix thoroughly with a teaspoon of white toothpaste without abrasive particles. Xenotation spot, apply to clean skin and wait 15 minutes. Xenotation spot, rinse with cold water and enjoy the transformation you will see with just a few uses. Don't forget, those who watch this video until the end know the secret of natural beauty and are always a few steps ahead of the rest. So be sure to like, comment, and share this with your friends so that everyone can stop longing for their beautiful skin. Wait for the peak of attractiveness and more secrets in the next videos. Subscribe to the channel and watch my videos for you.